Hello everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. It is June 1st, 2021. I hope everyone had a great Memorial Day weekend. And we are again going to look at AMC stock. It had another roller coaster of a day. It was a great day. It ended over 22% up today, which is fantastic. But there's also some news which some people are saying is good, some people are saying that it's bad. I personally think it's not very good, although I don't think it will hurt us too much in the long run. And that is, of course, the purchase and then sale by Mudrick Capital of their 8.5 million shares. But before we get into that, I am not a financial advisor. This is purely for educational and entertainment purposes, this video. But looking at the chart, we could see today we started off well, went down, shot up, and then news came out of Mudrick Capital purchasing and then selling their shares, and then the stock went down immediately. Fortunately, the shares were immediately gobbled up again, just like what happened with Wanda Group last week, where they had sold off almost all of their shares and the retail investors had immediately bought them up. Today, very similar. So Mudrick sold, and then retail stepped in and started buying, and we see towards the end of the day, we did recapture some of our gains and ended the day over $32. And then looking at the 5-day, it does look pretty good still. So last Thursday, we had gotten all the way up beyond $36. Friday, we dropped, ended the day at over $26. Today, we started the day great. We were over $30 already in the pre-market. Then we had sold back down, had gone back up with the Mudrick situation, and then spent most of the day consolidating after that. So overall, it was a great day. And most importantly, we did consolidate above $30, which is great to see. And we really showed that we're comfortable staying in that over $30 range. So that was great. Everyone should be happy with the progress that AMC has made. But there's more. Mudrick Capital, as we were saying, bought 8.5 million shares of AMC and immediately sold the shares, or almost immediately. So they bought these shares at $27.12 a piece, and then they sold them. And the article says that they said that they consider the shares overvalued, and so they just sold them off. So from Mudrick's perspective, yeah, that was a great move. Buy these shares, immediately sell them off, and make millions of dollars. I get why they did that. But now I really do have questions about the CEO of AMC, Aron, and what his game plan is and whatnot, because, a lot of the Reddit community, a lot of the YouTube community, they all love Aron. And I don't have anything against him. I understand he's doing what he has to for his company, but what he did in issuing these new shares and then Mudrick selling them into the retail, into the retail investor community was just put us back a bit. Don't get me wrong, he hasn't put us back very far. I think AMC is still going to go much higher. I think we're still in a great position, and today's movement shows it. But this just raises a specter going forward that this might happen again. Maybe next week he'll sell another 10 million shares to someone who will then again sell them off into the market and whatnot, which is just going to dilute the shares further. And we know that AMC had said that they're not going to do another public offering this year, but I mean, this is basically accomplishing the same ends, even if they don't, by selling these to these individual funds. So, not overly happy about that, but I understand why they did it. They did raise a ton of capital. AMC did. And Aron did speak about this and said that they are now going to use the money to purchase additional movie theaters and whatnot, expand their reach into the industry, and especially with a lot of their competitors have gone bankrupt or have serious financial crises, so they're going to expand. I get that, and I get how that would be good for AMC in the long run, but in the short term, I think that's going to be bad for us, the individual retail investors who are holding onto the stock waiting for the squeeze. And again, don't get me wrong, I think the squeeze is coming. I think the stock's going to go higher from here. What I really anticipate is that we saw this last week. We saw this in January. It happened a bunch of times. And I think it may well happen again that the week is going to be green. AMC is going to go up. And then on either Thursday or probably Friday, we're going to start seeing a lot of pressure pushing the stock price down, which maybe not. Maybe it'll just go up all week. Maybe it'll go down a lot tomorrow and then up a lot on Thursday. Who knows? But that I wouldn't be surprised if that happened. But I do think it's going to be a green week overall, and I do think AMC has room to grow still. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is purely for education and entertainment. But let me know what you think. Leave your comment below. Do you think that the sale to Mudrick was a good thing or a bad thing? What are you doing with your AMC shares? I'd love to hear it. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.